See the continuation of the topic color blindness. So the color blindness is inherited to the next generation by two types of marriages. The first one is a marriage between colorblind man and normal vision women. See here, the parent have the chromosome X plus for normal female, XC Y minus for colorblind male. The C, small c is for cone cell. Then it produces gametes X plus male produce the gametes XC Y minus. After fertilization they produce F1 offsprings X plus XC normal but carrier female. See here they contain the chromosome XC. Next normal male X plus Y minus. So crossing between these two they produce the gametes X plus XC X plus Y minus. So in the F2 generation they produce the offsprings in the ratio 3:1. See normal female X plus normal male X plus Y minus, normal but carrier female because it contains C, recessive gene, recessive X-linked gene, XCY minus, color blind male. So the ratio is 3 normal vision is to 1 carrier color blind. See the second marriage, normal visioned man and colorblind woman. The parent contains the chromosome XC for colorblind female, X plus Y minus for normal male. They produce the offsprings, they produce the gametes XC X plus Y minus. So in the F1 generation they produce a normal but carrier female, colorblind male. So crossing between these two they produce gametes X plus XC Y minus. So in the F2 generation they produce normal but carrier female, normal male, colorblind female, colorblind male. So the ratio is 2 normal vision and 2 colorblind. So come to the important topic, it is karyotyping. See here, karyotyping means from the cell a complete set of chromosomes is separated. After that it will be arranged in paired form. Then the diagrammatic representation of the chromosome is done. That whole process is called ideogram. See, a complete set of chromosomes is separated from the cell, then it is arranged in paired form, then the diagrammatic representation of the chromosome is done. The process is called ideogram. So the next one is preparation of karyotype. It was done by Geo and Levin in the year 1960. So how they prepared the karyotype means from the human blood they cultured lymphocyte. So mitosis is induced. After that colchicine is added in the culture. It will arrest cell division at metaphase stage. It is in this stage it is suitable for spread of metaphase chromosome. Then the metaphase chromosome is photographed and arranged in an orderly fashion in homologous pairs. It is called karyotype. The process called as karyotype. This chromosome banding, why it is important means it gives structural definition and differentiation of chromosome. Next one, applications of karyotyping. It helps in gender identification. Either the fetus is male or female, it is identified by karyotyping. Next, detect the chromosomal aberrations, deletion, duplication, translocation or non-disjunction. Non-disjunction means it's a failure of the disjunction of chromosome during cell division. So these 4 chromosomal aberrations are detected by karyotyping method. Then identify the abnormalities of chromosome. The chromosomal abnormality are called as aneuploidy. Then it will predict evolutionary relationships between species. Then it detect genetic disease in human karyotype. Human chromosomes are three types according to the position of centromere and relative length of two arms, not between the length of the genes, it is the length between two arms. So according to the position of centromere and relative length of two arms, the human chromosomes are three types: metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric. See here, chromosomes in this photograph, chromosomes are arranged in the order of descending length. Descending length means, see here, length of two arms. According to the descending length of two arms, it is grouped into A to G. See, chromosomes 1, 2, 3 comes under A, 4 and 5 comes under B, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 comes under C, then 13, 14, 15 comes under D, 16, 17, 18 comes under E, 19 and 20 F, 21 and 22 included in G, the X chromosomes combined with C, the Y chromosome is combined with G. So this is the human karyotype of male because it contains X and Y chromosomes. So it is the arrangement of chromosomes in the order of descending length in groups from A to G. Pedigree analysis. According to zoology, pedigree means a family tree. So it is drawn, the family tree is drawn with standard genetic symbols. It shows inheritance pathway for specific phenotypic characters. So the definition of pedigree analysis is study of traits as they have appeared in a given family line for several past generations. So these are all the symbols commonly used in pedigree charts. See the first one, the square, the indicates male, circle means female, a line between the square and circle, it indicates mating, the line indicates the mating. So these are all the parents, male and female, they produce two offsprings, one is boy and another one is girl. Then dizygotic twins, this is mono, that is both are male. Here one is male and one is female in the twins, so it is named as dizygotic. Here both are male, so it is named as monozygotic. This diamond shape, it is indicate a sex is unspecified. See the square, within the square the number is 2, within the circle the number is 3. It means number of children of sex indicated, that is 2 are male and 3 are female. Come here, the shaded part of these two, it indicates affected individuals. The half means heterozygotes for autosomal recessive. The next one is carrier of sex linked recessives. The cross line in the square, it indicates death. Then this symbol indicates abortion or stillbirth. Sex is unspecified. This shaded single square, it indicates proboscis. Proboscis means the first identified disease in a family. Next one, it is a method of identifying persons in a pedigree. Here the proboscis in child 2 in generation 2. Okay, see here, generation 2, child 2. This is the proboscis. The last one is square, 2 lines between the circle. It means consanguineous marriage, that is closely related marriage. Single line means mating, double line means it indicates closely related marriage between male and female.